Tignan mo, you didn't remove the tag. So, salamat nga pala sa mga nagregalo, no? May mga friend kami talaga na nag-send sila ng regalo. Tapos, nagbili sila sa registry namin. Oh! The other one is mine. Huh. Good morning, guys! Welcome back sa aming channel. Meron ako malaking acne. Ginamot ko siya. Pero naano na siya, napisa na siya eh. Tapos ginamot ko, nilagyan ko siya ng acne patch. By the way, dumating na nga pala yung regalo na ng in-laws ko, no? Bumili sila ng stroller at car seat ni baby. Ito, kahapon lang siya dumating. Ayan. Grabe. Grabe talaga yung in-laws ko. At tapos meron pa siyang binili yung crib. Nasa labas yung crib kaya mabigat daw hindi na pinasok ni Travis. Unti-unti na tayo nakakapagpundar guys ng gamit ni baby. Hindi pa talaga, actually, di pa kami nakakabili talaga nung tawag nito, ni Travis ng mga gamit. Kasi, nag-ano muna kami, hindi pa kami talaga, wait lang, buksan natin ilaw. Diyan ka lang, parating na si Travis eh. Galing siya 24 hours duty. What? What, Kenzie? Hindi ka pwede bumaba, diyan ka lang. Ay, pasaway talaga bumaba pa. Ito nga pala yung ano, yung crib nasa labas, sa garage. Hey! Nasa garage siya. Tapos, ito ata yung parang sapin ng yung ano ko kung ano yan? Nasa loob niyan. So, salamat nga pala sa mga nagregalo, no? May mga friend kami talaga na nag-send sila ng regalo. Tapos, nagbili sila sa registry namin. Tapos, yung in-laws ko, yun. Halika, come on. Come on. Get inside. Saway ka. Come on. Get inside. Up. Hindi pa siya magaling guys yung sugat niya. 1 week pa. Pero natuyo naman na. Ano ba? Balaw si Kimby. Galing kami kahapon ng tawag nito ng NEX. Ang daming clearance guys. Binilhan ko si Travis ng tawag nito ng jacket. Dahil Kinsley enough. Binilan ko si Travis ng jacket kasi ang ganda talaga ng jacket sa kanya. Sabi ko, tayo mo nga ito suot. Kasi sabi ko, ang ganda ng kulay. Tapos bagay na bagay talaga sa kanya. Tapos buti sale siya ng 40%. Yun. Tapos binili namin. Tapos kahapon, bumili rin kami ng iba pang gamit ng baby. Pero kaunti lang. Kaunti lang yung binili namin. Hindi pa ako talaga bumili ng mga damit ni baby, guys. Kasi nga, sabi din ng mga friend ko, tapos ng in-laws ko, wag daw bumili ng madaming damit kasi mabilis sila lumaki. Wait lang, buksan natin ilaw. Ito yung binili ko sa Shein. Mga kaunti lang talaga binibili ko, guys. Tapos, nagbili ako ng parang babe ba yun? Yung mga... Kasi nag-clearance siya kahapon dun sa NEX. So, bumili kami nito. Ito nga pala yung regalo yan ng... Ito, regalo yan ng ano, ng tawag nito. Nung kaibigan ni Travis. Pati ito yung katabaho niya. Yan. Tapos may paparating pa kami guys ng mga regalo. Wala pa siya dito. Kaya itong baby room, baka ayusin na namin soon. Kasi tatanggalin namin yung kama dito sa kwarto para medyo maluwag. Kasi maliit lang to eh, yung kwarto na to. Bagay lang din talaga pang baby room. So, ito yung mga nabili ko guys. Wait lang. Ito yung babe, nag 50% off siya. Babe bata, burp clothes. Tapos, itong... Ano man tawag nito? Ito ata yung bib. Ayan. Tapos, ito yung changing pad cover. Tapos, yung crib sheet. Ayan. Kaunti lang yung binili namin. Tapos, yung ibang regalo na, yung unang regalo ng mga kaibigan namin, nandun sa may closet. So, saka na natin ayusin, no? Pag aayusin na talaga namin yung mga gamit ni baby dito. Maaga pa naman, kasi may baby shower pa kami guys, sa November 9. Maaga pa naman, meron pa tayong 4 months bago ako manganak, bago siya lumabas. So, meron pa tayong mahaba-habang mahaba-habang preparasyon bago natin ma-meet si baby, no? So, ayun. Antay namin si Daddy Colette and magsaing ako muna, guys. And pagluluto ako siya ng pancake. So, we'll see ya. Ito na si Daddy Colette! Oh! Ginamit niya na, oh. Galing, ah. Ginamit mo na. I like it. Hey! La. Oy.
Hey.
Hindi ka pa magaling, ha? Tignan mo, you didn't remove the tag. You didn't remove the tag yet. Babe, the stroller is here. There's a stroller.
You're okay.
Na-miss niya si daddy niyo, oh.
Yeah.
Isang araw lang wala si daddy mo. She's eating her food.
Babe, you think I should have bought a bigger one?
Huh?
You think I should have bought a bigger one?
Is it too tight?
I mean, like wearing it like this, it's not.
No,
But if I go like this,
It's too tight?
when I go like this,
Do you want to return it?
I don't know. Should I get a bigger one?
I don't know, because I think bigger one is too bulky for you.
Maybe like
Yeah.
this works. Like
I think that's
this is
enough
like-
because it's new. You haven't washed it yet.
Well, no, to see how it's
It's too tight.
only around the corners. But if I'm just wearing it like look, this is this means
Yeah.
it fits like here.
Yeah.
But I was just thinking like if I was to like go up, see how it's kind of like
We should have just tried the other one,
The
the
extra
extra large. I mean, we can go there. Oh, you can go there today.
I'm not going back there.
You want pancake?
Yeah.
Well, let's try this pancake. Binili namin siya kahapon. Try natin, guys. And ayun na lang yung avocado ko. Pinabili ko siya ng... Papabiling ko siya avocado mamaya.
Oh.
Dumating daw ang aming... Who is that?
It's from Dave, my old command master chief, Dave.
Really?
Yeah, one of my friends. Yeah.
What?
I was wondering. He said congratulations from Dave and Christine.
So he bought the diaper, Ginny?
Yeah.
Aw, that's nice of him. Ayan nga pala, oh.
Oh, this is for you.
What is that?
This is for Jess because she always wants to use her phone. This isn't. This protects you from electromagnetic fields. You will use this.
No.
If you ever use your phone by your stomach, this goes over your stomach.
Orderan niya daw ako nito.
But yes, so I'll bring it in. I gotta bring that in too, but it's heavy. This is a must have.
Diaper, Ginny. Okay, patry natin kay Daddy Colette. Okay, babe. Try it.
Did you put syrup on that?
Yeah, I did.
Oh wow. Okay.
Try it na.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You ready, Master Chef?
No. Lumi. I think it will taste good. Because that's the expensive one. Oh. Okay. The other one is mine. Huh?
It tastes like a waffle.
Mmm. Yeah.
That's the only one I want from now on.
No.
Yeah.
So, ito yung ginamit ko, guys. Oh, yeah. Because pancake and waffle mix. Ayan. Tawag niya. Tapos, nilagyan ko siya ng vanilla extract. Tapos, isang egg. Tapos,
like,
inalo-halo ko lang. Tapos, meron pa ko ito. Niluluto. Naubos na yung maple syrup niya. Ito na lang gamitin natin. Yeah.
A few moments later.
All right, everybody. So we got another package from Mom. It's this one. So this is the mattress for the crib. It's actually pretty big. If you look at it, it's pretty big. So we need to end up putting it together, make sure there's no damage, and then start getting her room set up.
Yeah,
so we know
maybe next week or this week.
that's a pretty big. So that's gonna be. This is designed to grow into a toddler bed. So yes, it's a big crib, but it's designed so it can kind of grow with your child, which is kind of nice. So we don't have to buy another one.
Yep. So that's all for today, guys. I just
All
got
right.
home from work.
Yeah.
See you again next time.
Thanks for
Bye.
watching. Bye.